Okay, so what's going on today, guys? It's been a while working on Crispy here. Unfortunately, we went to Big O because kind of had to. They were the only place open, and they cracked my rim.
Just don't make no sense.
Yeah, they cracked my wheel. Not very happy about it. Can't really do anything. Yeah, I'll show you guys. So I take my wheel off and I just see this.
It's beautiful.
And I'm like, take a big deep breath in. It's gonna be all right. And come over here, a little bit more damp.
Oh shit.
We're gonna take the old wheels that I put on that had the two good tires, and I'm gonna take these two tires because they're brand new still, and I'm just gonna flip flop them, and the wheels are the same size, so everything should work out. The adapter plate comes in today. Finally! For this thing and that thing. Yeah, I'm super excited about that. Unfortunately, Crispy's in the way, so can't really do anything about that. Probably get it in, and I'll probably bolster the transmission first, just to see. I don't know, who knows. Fuck around and find out, but yeah. Other than that, that's what I've been dealing with.
Early the next morning.
Good morning, guys. We got the old new wheels on Crispy here. They're Mark 6 wheels on a 7, and I honestly think they look really good, but they are dirty, they're scuffed, they're nasty. But yeah, you guys go. No, I think it looks good. I think it makes it look a little bit more aggressive, but I got a few more things coming. I think I gotta look, but I got something coming the 29th.
29?
And then
you
fuck.
Stupid.
Yeah, what I was gonna say. This shit's fucking getting expensive.
I'm gonna have to sell some ass. And I'm worried about that.
This shit's getting out of hand. Like, yeah. But it's fun. So, yeah. Can't really be too mad.
5 minutes later.
Oh yeah, also, one more thing. This thing does need spacers. So I measured it yesterday, and I should need about 15 everywhere. So, yeah, the fronts are really sunken in. I mean, they're a different offset wheel than the Konings, but as you can see, yeah, they're fairly sunken in. So I measured it's about 15 mils on each side. Ignore that right there. We don't talk about that. Yeah, that right there. We don't talk about that. Yeah, it's not perfect, but it's a fun car. I like it.
Several days later.
All right, we got this thing together, minus a few bolts, but that's okay. I can make them Allens and it'll fit. So very tight right here between the hole and the dowel pin for the trans on both sides. But that shouldn't be an issue with a few Allen bolts. Yeah, other than that, it looks really good. It wasn't too bad to do, honestly. I mean, this trans is pretty heavy, but it's not like crazy heavy. But yeah, I was able to lift it up on there, find like a good point to where I could jack it up and like have it be stable on the jack. Yeah, this is sketchy.
Dumbass.
But yeah, now that it's bolted and it's like supported for right now, it'll be okay. It'll just sit in here until I buy the flywheel and the clutch. And then we can really, you know, hammer to this thing. Or I'll try to test fit it. Who knows? I'm not sure yet, but yeah. It's a unit. Got everything hooked up. Everything's flush. So worked out really good. On the inside, the shaft is in the center. You can't really see it, but once I get the pilot bearing or pilot bushing in there, whatever you guys want to call it, hopefully this will still all be aligned. I'm sure it will be because it was obviously made for it.
The more you fuck around, the more you're gonna find out.
Meanwhile.
All right, what's going on, guys? A little update on the handbrake. I got this cleaned up a little bit. I got some riv nuts that I put in here. I had to custom make a little hole right here because this hole didn't come out to where I wanted it to be, so it had to be off just a little bit. So there. Now the whole car moves with it. So, and this, the whole car moves, both of them. So not going nowhere. It still works just fine. So yeah, not too worried about it. Works great. Getting the drive shaft out right now. Kind of a pain in the ass. I was able to get this piece out. This wasn't too bad, so luckily. And as far as the rest of the bolts on the shaft.
What did he say?
And I need one more of those to get out. I'll probably just have to set it on fire. So yeah, just gonna torch it, get it hot, see if that metal expands, and get that nut off.
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
So yeah, pause.
Totally uncalled for.
Stick around if you guys want to see some more. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, see you guys next time.